and we are at Superbooth.
Superbooth.
We are at Superbooth
And-
Berlin 2025.
Thank you, first of all, for inviting me. Very happy to be here. Well, we released a record called Tones.
Neumann, Superbooth. This isn't your first time at Superbooth. I guess tell us a bit about why this Superbooth is different for Neumann.
For us, it's to reconnect. So Superbooth is about people meeting, being part of the community. It's not a business exhibition, it's really a place where you connect with people. And that's why it's special for us.
Hello world. Just played a set for Neumann that's been really cool and supportive for me for the last 2 years. But yeah, let's have fun.
We are here at the Superbooth 2025.
I'm super happy to actually be able to witness the great Afro rock live.
Neumann had to be started by someone, you know.
Yeah. Respect the steps.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I kind of fell deep into the rabbit hole of music technology. I was just really fascinated by questions like the ethics of AI. What does this mean for the future?
We use Neumann mostly in the studio for when we're mixing and mastering, and so having that enabled us to make better mixing choices and enables to print something that sounds really authentically like us, like we were live. You know,
coming here, it's a great hotspot of synth freaks.
I feel very grateful that I get this opportunity to share a little bit of that with you.
How has your Superbooth been?
This is my first time at Superbooth. I'm really enjoying it. The music is amazing, and it's been wonderful to meet so many people and be a part of this community.
Oh, that's a bit more like, isn't it?